Hello, everybody. Thank you so much to joining my podcast every day to listen it and grow. Today, I'm really very excited to forward this conversation because my friend, my brother, Kesar is here. He was such a big guy that I'll be talking. It was really fascinating me. He was completed his mechanical engineering from the Jharkhand University. He's from Jharkhand. He was worked with a lot of other countries, people like Dubai, Canada, a lot of country people, and now in this pandemic time, he was in the India, and it was really quite interesting to talking with him. So let's get started and help me to welcome my friend Kesar. So thank you so much to joining my podcast. Yeah.
I'm really glad to be part of your podcast. I can't even imagine where I am right now.
No, you have to don't imagine that. You have to not need to imagine that. Yeah. So yeah, I think that your journey was quite fascinating me. Why you would choose like mechanical engineering? Yeah. What was really like you?
Yeah, actually, when I was at the middle of age, so I
Yeah.
was thinking what profession should I choose?
Yeah. Then.
I was very passionate of welding. Do you know
Well,
welding?
yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, by profession, one of my uncles is a welder.
Yeah.
So I was thinking to be like him.
Yeah. So then. Yeah. Then
Yeah,
you to choose it. Yeah. But
so I thought that I have to choose profession related to him.
that was really like you have to choose from your uncle. The uncle your inspiration. So could you little bit think about tell about the what you like mostly in your uncle because I think he's your inspiration. But,
Yeah, actually, when
yeah,
actually my uncle had a garage
yeah,
in which he used to weld.
yeah,
He used to melt the two irons to
Yeah.
each other.
oh yeah,
I was quite impressed by seeing that. So
yeah.
thought to utilize my all interest in that profession.
Oh, so that you have to choose like mechanical engineering, yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah,
after my schooling,
yeah,
I got into mechanical engineering.
yeah.
It was a diploma course. After
Yeah.
completing my diploma, I went to Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Oh my God. Yeah,
Saudi Arabia. So when I was in Saudi Arabia,
yeah.
that's where I got to know importance of English.
Oh, like to going to Saudi Arabia, like what's the native language in there? Like Arabic?
Yeah, actually there were two options
What was the option?
that I had to choose. Either I had to speak in English
Yeah,
or
in Arabic.
in Arabic.
Oh, so you have to.
So both languages I didn't know.
Oh, so
Because
that
of
you.
which
Yeah.
I had to face a lot of humiliation, insult, criticism.
Yeah, it will be
I-
happen.
Yeah, I was unable to communicate with the people from
Like Saudi
that
Arabia. Yeah.
country or in my country. Actually, my management was from
Oh.
management was from
Yeah.
Italy.
Italy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
My management was from Italy, so all the senior officer or whoever was senior to me, all were from
Yeah. Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
So there was no option. So because of which I got a lot of insult or
Like,
I was
yeah.
unable to communicate with anybody. Yeah, there were few.
Yeah,
there
like
were
few Indian.
people
Yeah. That you
whom
but
I used to communicate in Hindi.
but
So that's where I thought to change my
action.
change my level of language. So,
Like, but yeah, also you said that you were working on the Saudi Arabia and the Italian your management, and you have to not communicate that much, and yeah, the humiliation will be faces you. But why you all of know that? Why you choose the go to Saudi Arabia?
Yeah, actually, when I was on the verge of starting my career,
Yeah.
So I got opportunity from Saudi Arabia.
Oh, like what kind of work in there? Like it's to be welding or anything?
Yeah, as I was working there as a welding foreman.
Oh, so then you have to going in there. How long did you working there?
I sorry.
Yeah.
I
No.
worked there for 2 years.
And then?
Then after that, I returned back from there, thought to learn English. But you know it very well that we are emotionally attached with our native language.
Yeah.
When I came from Saudi Arabia,
Yeah.
first few days,
Yeah.
thought to learn English. In between,
Yeah.
I got opportunity from Dubai.
Oh, and then?
Yeah, so I
Then you-
thought that no, I should not learn English now.
Oh.
But
Like-
I have to visit Dubai.
Dubai. Yeah.
After returning back, I will
Learn English.
learn English.
Yeah. And
But what actually happened, you know?
Yeah,
When
what?
I went there,
Yeah.
same thing.
Like
I had
humiliation.
to face there. Okay, I had to face there.
Yeah.
So
Like-
I thought that no, if we have to be a extra version of ourselves, English plays a vital role.
To be
Without-
worldwide.
Yeah, without English, you cannot do that you want to do. Yeah, you can get job, okay, you can work, but you will not get regard, respect.
Like it will be happen from the international perspective. If a person in the India, the all thing will be happened also in the India. What do you think?
Yeah, same thing. Okay, same thing happens in India.
But in the India people will be communicate easily. But I think from the native language, like if a North Indian people go to the south part, then he will be not communicate as well. Yeah.
Yeah, brother, I know
Yeah.
or don't know, but let me mention something here. Okay,
Yeah.
our society or
Yeah.
workplace
Yeah.
has been divided in 3 parts:
Which part?
lower part, average part, higher part.
And what was the criteria of that?
Yeah, in lower part,
Yeah.
okay, in lower part, the people are not speaking neither in Hindi nor in English. They
Then-
prefer to speak in their native language.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, in average part, people are speaking broken
like-
English as well as broken Hindi.
Yeah. And
Okay. In
yeah.
higher part,
Yeah.
people prefer to speak in English. To
Only
show off.
English.
Okay, to show off each
Like-
other that I am better than you, you are lower than me.
Oh,
So
yeah.
their competition is going on.
So would you think that this competition is a good because this kind of you are lower than me, or to be from a language, are a person will be higher, or a person will be going lower? Would you think so?
Yeah. According to my point of view,
Yeah.
competition should be everywhere.
Yeah, competition should be everywhere, but this kind of confidence, competition like that. If you learn English, then you are better than me. If you know, then you are not better than me. Would you think, this kind of
But
mind
it
is like,
has been our culture, brother. You can see around us
yeah, it will be.
how people are criticizing other not to know English.
That's why we have to start this podcast to invite a lot of person like you. They will be just try their future because, in your age, in your situation, a lot of people think that don't worry about that. My life will be going on. I can't never ever learn English. But you did not do that, yeah.
Yeah.
But
No, actually, you know what?
Yeah.
He said that in India,
Yeah.
Indian people always do work precisely under pressure. If there is no pressure,
Yeah.
they will do nothing.
Nothing, yeah. So it will be. I don't know, but it will be in our blood. I think, yeah.
Yeah, to be honest,
Yeah.
when I started learning English
Yeah.
was my compulsion. It
Yeah.
was not my choice.
Yeah, it will be necessary for you because you will feel lot of humanity, lot of things you will faces in your life.
Yeah. So,
It
just
will
because
pressure.
of humiliation, criticism, I thought to learn English.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
after coming back, after coming back from
Dubai.
yeah, I
How long-
decided
yeah. How
strongly
long you-
that I will not travel anywhere till
Yeah.
I learn English.
And then the pandemic.
Yeah. So let me share my first experience of learning English.
Yeah, just tell us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when I went to an institution,
Yeah.
I talked there for learning purpose. How long does English take?
Yeah.
How long does
Okay.
it take to learn?
Yeah.
So I was told that not more than 3 months.
Yeah. Then.
So I asked you, what about cost?
Yeah.
How much do I have to pay?
Yeah.
So I was told that 6,000 rupees.
6,000. Yeah. 5,000 rupees. Yeah.
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 So I said to my teacher that I'm not able to afford 6,000, but yeah, I can afford 5,000.
Yeah. Then.
Okay. So my teacher told me that, Kaisar,
Yeah.
before joining class, you have to pay half of the money. Okay. So I paid 3,000.
Yeah. Then.
I paid 3,000. After that, I started. Started
Yeah.
class.
Yeah.
Very first day of my class,
Then. Yeah. What happened?
I was stood before 14 students.
Yeah.
Okay, 13 of them from English background.
Yeah.
One of them was Hindi
Yeah.
background.
13 of them Hindi background. Yeah.
English. 13 of them from English background.
And one of them.
One of them was Hindi background.
And yeah,
When-
how old are
yeah.
you in that time? How old are you? Because it will be very necessary when you first
Yeah,
met.
that time, yes, I'm just talking about recently, 2 years back, brother.
Yeah.
I have been practicing English last 2 years.
And how old are you in that time? Because people.
26, now I'm 28.
Yeah, that will be great. And then what happened?
Yeah, so I was stood before 14 students,
Yeah.
told to introduce myself.
Then. Yeah.
So I told my teacher that, sir, I know nothing in English.
Yeah.
How can I introduce myself? So my sir said to me that, Kaisar, whatever you know, just speak up.
Yeah.
So I spoke only 2 sentences.
What is that?
Okay, I am Kaisar Firoz. I live in Sultan Nagar, Char.
Just,
Okay.
just only
After
2 sentences.
finishing this, okay, after finishing these
Yeah.
2 sentences,
Yeah.
all students were started laughing at me, except one.
Yeah.
So I know you can guess who was he.
Yeah. In the background. Yeah.
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 So I was really surprised. I was feeling that I am among aliens.
Like like 14, 13 are laughing to you, and then it's really
Yeah.
also criticism and
Yeah, I actually, brother, to be honest,
yeah.
I was numb. My mind was not working. Okay, legs were trembling, shivering. I was sweating.
Oh my God. Then
Okay, that upon a time, I thought not to learn English. This is not my
Really?
cup of tea. Yeah, promise. Okay,
yeah.
this is not my cup of tea. So after class, I went to teacher, told him that, sir, English is not piece of cake for me. So can I refund my money? Okay, so
Yeah.
he told me that sir, money is not refundable.
Yeah.
Why are you talking like this?
Then
I told him, okay, calmly, sir, were you not there? Students were laughing at me.
yeah.
It was very embarrassment for me.
Yeah. Whole class will be laughing and you are just
Okay.
sweating and
They are students.
yeah.
I am a supervisor.
Yeah.
I handle manpower.
Yeah.
But you can understand my situation when I was stood before 14 students. So I don't think that I'm going to learn anything here.
Oh, it was so embarrassing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so my teacher motivated me a lot.
And what he say exactly?
Yeah, he said that, sir,
Yeah.
whenever we do something new, we have to face this kind of difficulty. Don't worry about that. You started attending class. It was your first day. Okay. Keep on coming.
Like
After 15 to 20 days, you will get to know that whether you are improving or not. Don't be judgmental within a day.
like don't be like in that moment you will feel embarrassing. After 20 days you will be like become something else. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
So,
yeah.
yeah, actually, brother, same thing was happening every single day. As you know, as I was very dull in English, to be honest, I didn't know how to pronounce
Like
A to Z alphabet. In the beginning, I used to pronounce W, he, okay, something like that. So whenever I used to say thank you very much, oh my God, girl from English medium started laughing at me. Don't you know?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, don't you know that we don't say very, we should say very. So I was unaware that since childhood I have been reading very. Why this girl is saying very?
Because yeah, they will like just to be make a fun of you, yeah.
Yeah. So I was just a cartoon for them who used to make them enjoy.
Like you in that time when they make fun of you and you know that they will make fun of you, would you motivate for them that one day I will learn it and I will speak to them and then they know? Or you just like feel depressed and like, oh, why this happened?
Every single day, brother, every single day when I used to go to class,
Yeah.
I took my class as a challenge.
You took your class as a
Challenge that I am not doing well today, but I hope fully saying that one day I will be doing my best.
like that kind of attitude.
Yeah.
And then
So, you know, after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, okay, I was practicing, they were laughing. I was practicing, they were laughing. Okay, everything. It's been, okay, it had been almost 2 months.
like you are speaking and they're laughing.
Yeah.
Wow.
2 months.
I think how it will be possible if I really feel that in our like a normal person, you are like an extraordinary person. If someone laughing in my school and 2 days or 3 days, then I will say, Mom, I will not go to the school or university. But how you will be like in 2 months?
I also used to think that the same, brother.
Then?
But you know, when this thought came into my mind that I will go to class, they will laugh at me. Okay.
Yeah.
So I always made up myself that I am going to be make fun of them.
Like you made that mindset that I'm going and making my own fun.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because you know, I wanted to do something remarkable. Someone
Oh my
has
God.
said that.
Yeah.
Okay, someone has said that hard work pays off someday. Let me finish my story. Then you will come to know
Yeah.
how hard work works.
Yeah. This is
Okay.
Just that.
So you know, I used to speak. They used to laugh.
Yeah.
After day went, month went. It had been almost 3 months. Okay. You know, I started seeing myself that I have been improving myself rapidly.
Oh.
Rapidly.
Yeah.
You know, in between, during class, in between group discussion was started. Okay, I started taking part in group discussion.
Yeah. Then?
Okay, to be honest, or I have mentioned in my live streaming as
Yeah.
well that I nobody could never win to me.
Why?
I used to be winner in every group discussion.
How it will be possible? But you used to say that.
Okay, because because speaking for 2 minutes, 1 minute, okay,
Yeah.
it is quite easy. But taking your conversation forward, it is
Yes.
quite difficult for everybody. You might have seen.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah.
So I used to do that. What I used to do that, I always try to take my conversation forward. Okay. I knew it very well that they speak better than me, but
Yeah.
they will not go longer.
Like
Okay.
you play longer game.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
yeah.
So I used to take my conversation forward, always ahead. Okay. At the end of our group discussion, everybody used to say that, sir, we don't have word to express.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what about you guys, sir? Sir, I have many things to share. I'm ready to share. Tell them, talk to me. Okay. So each and every group discussion,
Yeah.
okay, I used to be winner. Okay, I used to be declared winner at the end of my class.
So how it will feel like that you win the conversation, because you have the ability to whatever the thing will be happened, I will be try it for a long time and win it. Yeah.
Yeah, at the end of my spoken class, I was declared the best student of that class.
Oh my God. Clapping for yeah. So how is the feeling when you have to declare that?
Neither my family member nor my
Yeah.
friend,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
could digest that Kaisar is the best student of that class.
So what they say?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, one day, my mother told me that, Kaisar, have you gone mad or what?
Why?
So, I used to practice for 16 to 18 hours, brother. Will you believe?
60?
16 to 18 hours.
How?
Yeah, day in, day out. I had isolated myself for 6 months.
You are just speaking every day, yeah, like long times, everything, yeah? In English?
Yeah, only in English. I didn't go out. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't go out of my room. Okay. I isolated myself in my personal room.
Yeah.
Most of the time, I used to speak like a mad person.
So what are you speaking? Are you speaking loud in your room or in your mind?
I used to scream.
Scream. That what the yeah.
Some of my neighbor
Yeah.
had complained to my parents that okay, what your son is doing? He doesn't let us sleep. Okay, tell him not to speak little louder. Okay, yeah, we know he is practicing his learning, but he is annoying us as well. But
Then-
I didn't care about anything. I just wanted to speak in English somehow. So it's been almost 2 years.
Yeah.
I never stopped my journey. You can say that I am hunger of learning.
Yeah, I show you that in the 2 months you never say they are laughing. You say, oh, I want to be for your fun, and like that attitude, and you have become best student of your coaching center, and like it's just a remarkable How do you do that things? Yeah.
You can see in our society or in our country that why many of us are not able to speak in English, because they can't tolerate insult, humiliation, criticism, because of which they give up within
Yeah.
a month, within 15 days, within 2 months.
Like they say, we can't speak, we don't know, something, people laugh me, so they give up, just give up.
Yeah. But according to my point of view, give up is not solution of anything. We have to fight. We have to struggle.
Like how long it will take if someone don't know about it, he was just want to go to learning. Like it will take time, like you.
I'm a huge fan of APJ Abdul Kalam.
Why?
He used to say that,
Yeah.
okay, dreams are not those that
Yeah. We
we
are.
have when we sleep. True dreams are those that don't let you sleep.
Could you explain it little? Yeah. What's the true dream will be? Never.
Dreams are not those
Yeah.
that we have when we sleep.
Yeah.
True dreams are those that don't let you sleep.
Oh, that. But lot of people say that yeah, English is a language. When if it will be not a your dream, then it will be never happen. That you say?
Yeah,
Yeah. Like you have to be a necessary. You have to dream because you the humiliation, you feel criticism from the likes of the Arabia and Dubai. So that's what motivate you. Yeah.
yeah. I always welcome criticism.
How you have to be face that kind of criticism, yeah.
Oh my God, I have list of criticism uncountable.
Just two best criticism that you like most.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
One criticism was that I had conversation with a guy,
Yeah.
okay, from the USA.
The USA, yeah.
Okay, so we started having conversation within 3 months.
Yeah.
Okay, he told me that, brother, your way of speaking is terrible.
Yeah.
I'm not getting anything, whatever you are saying. Okay,
Yeah.
so you should not learn English. Why are you wasting your time?
So that, like
Yeah,
that,
so,
the bad.
what was my answer?
Yeah.
I answered him, okay, beautifully, okay, calmly.
Oh yeah. What is that?
Yeah, I told him, brother, how many languages do you know?
Then what is
So
it?
he told me that only English. So
Yeah.
I told him, brother, do you know that how many languages do we have to speak in India? First,
Then-
our mother tongue.
Then what is
Second, our
it?
national language.
Yeah.
Third, English. Okay, the way I totally agree with you that I am speaking broken English.
Yeah.
The way I am speaking broken English, similarly, can you speak broken Hindi with me? Can you?
Oh my god.
So,
And what the other person say? I just want to
within
know.
a second, he disconnected the call. That
Because
was
he have
my-
no answer. Yeah.
Yeah, that was my
Yeah.
first criticism, or I can say the best criticism.
Yeah, of course, it's the best that I ever heard the criticism. And the
Okay.
beautiful answer. And the second?
Yeah. Second one was that I had a conversation with a girl
Yeah.
from Rajasthan. I
Yeah.
think you are also from Rajasthan.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
what is it?
So I had conversation with her within 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Within 2 minutes,
Yeah.
I was declared a bad speaker of English. I know nothing in English.
She says.
Yeah.
Then?
On Hello application, I was told within 2 minutes that I am a bad speaker. I don't have right to learn English. I need to practice.
You don't need to write to learn English. That is
Yeah.
she say.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So
Then?
first of all, I should improve my English.
Yeah.
Then she will talk to me.
Oh. And
So
then?
I answer him very lovingly.
Yeah, like very politely.
Precisely. I know my English is very bad.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to improvise myself every single day.
Yeah.
So as I know my English is bad, that's why I'm using this application. Okay.
Yeah.
If I were good,
Yeah.
I wouldn't use this application. What about you? You consider yourself that you are a good
Good
speaker.
speaker.
What
Yeah.
is the reason behind that? Why are you using this application?
Then-
Oh my God! He blocked me within a second.
Oh my god, the two best criticism I ever heard, you know.
Okay.
How you so calmly answering this kind of questions? Because they will directly criticize you, but you say politely, hello, yeah.
Yeah, brother, I believe that every problem has its solution. We need to find out accordingly,
Like we have to be
not hurriedly.
yeah, like we have to be polite and to understand the problem
Yeah.
and
Okay,
yeah,
so let me mention another
yeah.
criticism.
Please.
You will be surprised.
Yeah, of course I want to.
Okay, I
Yeah,
was making live streaming.
yeah in
It's
Hello.
been almost 2 months. Okay,
Yeah.
on my live streaming, one ice extractor come. Okay,
Which
instructor
who?
come.
Inspector.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he started criticizing without
Criti-
knowing anything.
like yes. What he
Okay.
say? Yeah.
Yeah, he said that actually I am a part-time English teacher. Recently I started coaching center
Yeah.
in my locality.
Yeah.
So after seeing chair or banner, okay, he started asking questions randomly, okay, without taking breath.
What's the
Okay.
questions? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what all do you know about English? What you are teaching to students? You are misguiding of them or not?
Oh.
I told him lovingly, sir, have patience. I have answer of your all questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's been only 2 to 3 days. I started my coaching center.
Oh.
I have no experience like you. I know you have great experience in English.
Yeah.
But would you like to share how did you start the journey of learning English? So that I could understand
Yeah.
whether I'm right or wrong.
Yeah, you're right. Then
Did you struggle in the beginning time or not? Okay, if you struggle
Yeah.
in the beginning time, so let me struggle as well.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we started discussing about English.
Like you.
Okay, for half an hour.
Half an
Okay.
hour.
Yeah, related grammar, related everything, fear, anxiety, nervousness.
Yeah.
As a result, what I got?
What?
He saluted me.
Really?
Promise. He saluted me, Kaisar, you are really a strong person. You are determined person. Okay, you are dedicated to English.
Oh my God. And then what you say? Like you are, yeah, really deserve that, but really it was the first he said that like this kind of thing, and after to be half of hour, then everything. Like it
Yeah.
take time. It take time to understand people. Yeah.
Yeah. So, whoever is listening to our podcast, I would like to suggest everything.
Yeah.
Be yourself. Be optimistic. Don't be pessimistic.
And so why? Yeah. Like to be able to sum it up this session. What was the? Oh yeah, two things that you want to share all your student or the podcaster they listening it. What was the two things that you conclusion from your English journey on your life?
First thing that I would like to share to all of you: never give up.
Never give. What was the decision is?
Yeah, never give up. Whatever come across on your way, just face it.
Yeah. Be calmly like you.
Yeah,
like Kessler sir.
just
Yeah.
face it.
Yeah.
Just fight.
Just
Okay,
fight.
just be fighter. Don't be a loser.
Like don't be loser.
Life
Yeah.
life is name of uncertainty. We don't know when what happens.
Yeah. But yeah, like we have to be never give up. But you because your journey is such inspiring. And what was the other thing?
Yeah, next thing I would like to share that okay, everybody has to fight their own battle.
Everybody.
Don't wait for somebody will fight for you.
Oh my God.
You
Like
are the one
yeah.
who can fight for yourself. In
Like-
any cases, not I'm talking about in English. In any cases, if you have set mind to achieve something,
Yeah.
work regarding that accordingly, precisely, calmly. Consistency plays vital role to achieve anything.
Like we
If
have to.
you are punctual, honest, disciplined,
Yeah.
you will be able to achieve anything. Anything is achievable.
Like anything that you want.
Yeah, anything. I'm
Like-
not talking about speaking in English. Whatever you want to achieve, anything is achievable.
Like you also.
There
yeah.
is no, okay, there is no bonding of being poor, being rich. Okay, this is only product of our thought that I am poor, so I can't do this thing.
Oh, like because your journey and yeah, the whole thing of your journey and life, it was really fascinating me. But it will be going to be time up. So I just want to know things that how can if a person don't have that kind of encouragement and that kind of confidence like you, because you have to never give up. No, like people will be laughing you on that nearby. Everybody laughing you, criticize you, but you say just move on. Just move on. This is life. Only one
Yeah.
life. Yeah.
Okay, brother, we always care about others. We don't care about ourselves, what we want to achieve. For example, have you ever seen that you are doing something good or you are not being criticized?
I do one and two things, and the thing is that the other say to me, the other want for me, not that I want. Yeah.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter what you are doing
Yeah.
right thing or wrong thing, you will
Yeah.
be criticized.
Yeah, of course. Everything
Yeah,
that I
you
do.
were criticized, you are criticized, you will be criticized, no doubt.
So we have to not focus on that. Yeah.
Yeah, be yourself. Just focus on your goal.
Just focus on. Yeah. Would you suggest anybody to any kind of like at this time they will be not able to go to coaching? So any application that you suggest to use to speaking power or to learn English?
Yeah, I will actually for learning English.
Yeah.
There is only one application, Hello app.
Hello. Yeah. Hello
Hello
application.
app. I have never got an application to learn English like Hello app.
So
It is one of the best apps.
because
to improve
yeah,
English.
you are the hero of that application. Your live stream all was streaming on there. So that's
No,
it.
actually, I
Yeah.
learned many things from Hello app. To be honest,
What kind of
I
thing?
learned how to struggle in our life.
Like,
How people
yeah.
criticize us. How
That-
to get over from our problem. Okay.
Yeah. Like,
Next thing,
yeah.
I will not take more than 2 minutes.
No. Yeah, you have to take like 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, just tell us.
We all go to school.
Yeah, of
Everybody
course.
wants to be successful in their life.
Yeah.
But you can say success rate of India. Only, I think that 5 to 10%
Five,
people are
yeah.
successful.
Yeah, 5 to 7.
Where is the rest of 90%?
They just
If
do what
everybody
the people say.
Okay, if everybody has dream to be successful person,
Yeah.
then where is the rest of 90% people?
They are.
Because
Yeah.
they give up middle of journey or beginning of journey or
Yeah.
end of journey. They give up. They don't want to struggle. They want everything sitting at home.
Comfortable zone.
Yeah, they don't want to live comfortable zone. Brother,
Yeah.
there are 4 zones to achieve
What?
anything.
What?
Okay. First is comfort zone.
Yeah.
Second is fear zone.
Ear zone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Third is learning zone.
Third is
Fourth
learning.
is proving zone.
Probing zones. Could you explain it
Yeah.
a little
When
bit?
I'm going to elaborate.
Yeah.
Okay. First, comfort zone.
Yeah.
When we try to achieve something
Yeah.
or to learn something,
Yeah.
first thing that we have to do, leave comfort zone. When we leave comfort zone, get into fear zone.
Fear zone.
What happens in fear zone? You will be judged.
People
Okay.
judge you.
Yeah, in fear zone, people will judge you, people will criticize you, people will insult you.
Yeah.
Okay, people will letting you down all the time. If you cross fear zone,
Yeah.
okay, you will get into learning zone.
Learning zone. Yeah.
Yeah, in learning zone, what happens? You will learn because you have no fear. Okay.
Yeah, because
You have no fear because you have crossed fear zone.
zone. Yeah.
So you will learn whatever whatever happens surrounding you,
Yeah.
or whatever come across to you. You will learn something from there.
Yeah.
Okay. At last, growing zone. When you have all information about learning, where what to do, okay, how to speak, okay, you get into
Learning zone.
growing zone.
Like growing zone. Yeah.
Growing zone is the light. All teachers, all businessmen, all Ambani, Adani, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, all are in growing zone.
Growing zone. And the most of the 90% in?
Yeah, but you know what happens
Yeah.
across the globe?
What?
What 50% people don't leave their comfort zone.
50%, yeah.
Okay, 30% people. Okay, 30% people.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, 30 not. 40% people
Yeah.
give up in fear zone.
Fear zone. And,
Okay, they don't want to be judged by others.
and
Okay, 10% go to learning zone.
zone. And
Okay, or in growing zone only
5
4
and
to 5% go.
are growing.
Sorry,
Like
growing zone.
zone. And
So Adani, Ambani. Okay, you
Impact.
can calculate.
Yeah.
You can calculate how many people are in growing zone
Yeah,
in
there
our
is,
country.
yeah, very few, because our majority of population is so high and success rate is so.
Yeah. Someone has said that nothing is impossible. Why?
Because like we have to not cross the zone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to leave comfort zone. Okay, we don't want to put effort. We don't want to struggle. We want to get everything sitting at home.
And everything will be not come to your homes. Just say, oh, you want English, in your mind, just take
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it will be
We
never
are waiting
happen.
for miracle. Do you think that miracle happen? I don't.
No, yeah, I don't. Yeah, my name is Vishnu, but I don't believe in that.
Yeah, we create miracle. I believe that.
Of course, I
Create
also.
miracle. 2 years back, I was nothing in English. Now I am speaking in English. People surrounding me know it very well that Kaiser have improved English a lot.
Yeah, like that was the attitude. Like you have to be successful in that field. Like not like you have to be successful and growing now.
Yeah. So
Because- yeah.
we create miracle. Miracle doesn't happen automatically.
But yeah, what was the first step? People just want to, you don't cross the comfort zone. What was the reason behind? Because what was that will be a. to
Yeah,
be-
according in this era, I would like to mention that our mind works according to comfort zone. Our mind doesn't allow us to leave comfort zone because we are habituated
Yeah,
to doing same thing again and again.
yeah, of course.
Okay, our mind
Yeah,
get habituated of doing
what
that
we.
thing.
Yeah, like again and again the comfort zone, like the scrolling social media and watching pictures and lot of
For
this stuff,
example, we are talking with each other
Yeah.
right now.
yeah,
Okay, we are in comfort zone.
yeah,
Suddenly your mother call you. Okay, your mother call you, beta, you have to do this thing.
yeah,
Okay, your mind gets disturbed.
yeah, and like, oh, what should I do now? And yeah,
Okay, so that is difference between comfort zone and discomfort zone. If your mother is saying something in favor of you,
yeah,
your mind will get happy.
of course, yeah,
Okay, if your mother is not saying anything in favor of you,
Yeah.
okay, your mind will get stuck. Oh my God, what do you think I have to do? I don't feel to do. I'm not going to do. Okay, that is the difference between comfort and discomfort. So all of us, many of us, don't want to leave comfort zone. If you like to watch movie, you will prefer watching movie. Okay, if you like listen to song, you will prefer listening to song.
like every person have to different kind of comfort zone. Like So we have to be just in that, not want to be talking with people and people criticize you. No, that will be not like, not everybody have to be courage like you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was the reason. And what do you feel that now just people tell you that, oh, you learning English because you are a genius, and they will be not so that what kind of journey that you will face with.
Nobody is genius by birth. They are genius by their deeds.
What it mean? Yeah, could you explain it? Nobody?
Yeah. Nobody is genius by birth.
Oh yeah.
They are genius by their deeds.
Like you have to.
It is karma.
Yeah. Karma. Like you have to do a lot of things. People will be
Yeah.
don't show that.
To be genius, you have to struggle a lot. You have to do many remarkable things. Then you will be called genius.
And now you call.
Sitting at home, nobody is going to call you genius.
Yeah, you have to do work on yourself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I think the people should have to think about themselves. We have to make podcast for them and they learning and listening. That will be not. You have to ask yourself. Yeah. What was the question that people should ask of themselves? So they will be come up on that. Yeah. I just want to do something.
First up, it's all about mindset.
Mindset.
Okay. Mindset is, suppose that something is bothering you, that you are not getting job.
Yeah.
Mostly in India, you might have seen that people who are learning English, those are not getting job, are
Yeah.
not getting good mark in their academic field.
Yeah.
Okay, they are curious to learn.
Of course.
Why?
Because
Just
they.
because it is their compulsion.
Yeah.
It is not their choice.
Yeah. It's not their choice. Yeah. That's right.
You know, you might have heard the name of Alva Edison.
Alva Edison. Yeah. I really heard
Yeah, he's a
about it.
great scientist.
Yeah.
You know, in his childhood,
Yeah.
okay, he was told that he is not capable to study.
He was not able to study.
Yeah, he was thrown up from school.
To be that because he was never will be able to study. That's why.
Yeah.
And then.
But you know, his
Yeah.
mother,
Yeah.
his mother knew about him that something unique. Okay, there is something unique in his
Mind.
son.
Yeah.
Okay, so she tried to take those things out.
Like to discover those things. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
take
what
it
should
out from
his son?
his son.
Yeah.
His son. As a result, you can see that okay, he
Albert.
is called the great scientist
Of the era.
of the world.
Yeah. Of the world and of the era of his time.
Okay, if he had not struggled, he would have not been popular.
Like not popular because he will be able to like in all humanity they will be his work and lot of things, and now
Yeah.
he called.
Yeah, because of this reason, it is said that surrounding us, nothing is impossible. Anything is achievable. It
Yeah.
differs person to person what they want to achieve. Okay, they are honest towards their goal or not. They
Yeah.
are learning or just pretending that
Yeah.
I am learning.
You should have to be like full of passionate. What are you doing? The things, yeah.
Yeah.
Not just pretend that I just want to be learning English and you don't know about you don't know English. You don't have to write that. No. You have to learning. And are you believing also like sharing? Like now you sharing your like in teaching in a lot of student. It will be really helpful you to sharing something. We have to also be learn a lot of things.
Yeah, you know, actually, since I started my class, what
Yeah.
I found that teachers are not teaching the way they should teach students.
And
Okay, they hide their reality.
what
But
reality?
I share all of my reality which had happened with me.
Oh, you share your all things to your student. Real
Yeah.
things. And
Yeah, because the student,
yeah.
student has no mature mind. Okay, students are students.
Yeah,
The students think that my teacher is teaching me
because
something
yeah,
because he is brilliant. That's why he is teaching.
of course.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I told my all students that since childhood I have not been brilliant. I
Like-
made it by myself.
and you also
I
do
was
that.
very dull. I think that I was dull more than you.
No, yeah, like you have to that much courage to say that because a lot of student and teacher will be not say that.
Yeah, teacher care about their respect. Okay, they
Yeah.
think that if they share reality to their students, they will make fun of them or him or her. But I believe that acceptance is a belief. Okay.
Yeah, like accept,
Acceptance is a belief. We always accept the truth.
not just say that. Yeah, whatever the truth, you should have to tell that.
Yeah.
And would you think that to be telling the truth, yeah, a student will be connect to you more and to be they learning fast? Is that really helpful you?
You know, my all students are working amazingly. I
Really?
can't believe that. Okay.
Yeah.
Within 1.5 months, they started speaking in English. Just think.
Like what was you really teach them to be just to be speaking or to reading, learning, and what was their age group?
They are in between 15 to 18.
Oh, and I think they will be finding great teachers, yeah, because your journey really inspired them, I think.
Yeah, whenever they come in my class, they always say that, sir,
Why?
you
Yeah.
are really a great inspiration for us. Okay.
Yeah.
We have been going to school since childhood,
Yeah.
but no teacher could
Yeah.
never say the reality of life.
Like you will be not just them study, but you just also be share with their what was the reality of life.
Yeah,
And I think that should have to all the teachers should have to do that just to be not like study material, but
let me tell you one thing.
yeah.
It doesn't impact those who come from good background. Okay,
Yeah.
good background.
Yeah.
It impacts those who come from poor background or who have
Yeah.
weak mind.
Take
What
my-
actually happened?
Yeah. Yeah.
Brilliant mind student studies very well. Okay, studies very
Yeah.
well. Average mind student manage everything. But poor-minded student always think that my teacher is brilliant, who teaches everything to us.
Yeah.
The student who are sitting in front of teacher, they are performing well. Okay, average people manage everything.
Yeah.
Okay, but we are unable to manage anything.
Anything.
So we are not going to learn anything new. Because
Yeah.
of this reason, they give up. If teacher say all poor students that I was also dull like you, okay,
Yeah.
it will increase their confidence.
Like everything, just to you connect with teacher, like he or she and he have to be the same journey just I facing now and I will also become like him or her. So they will practice more, yeah?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
what I'm seeing in my student. That's what I'm saying in my student. That they are practicing day in, day out. Okay, they are performing every day something new.
Like
Beyond my expectation, they are practicing. Will you believe?
beyond your what was your expectation, by the way?
Yeah, I was thinking that they will take 4 to 5 months to speak.
And
But
they
they
just
started speaking.
like in just 1.5 month.
Yeah. They are not speaking like fluent speaker, but
But yeah, they just started. That was a big thing, I think.
yeah.
Oh my God, you are such your journey like a way of water. It will be going on the way of you want. Like you just from the Saudi Arabia to Dubai to learning English to coaching center, humiliation and criticism and lot of things and yeah to teaching and to sharing the story. how you
Yes.
will, yeah, what else thing that you want from your life? I just want to know that.
I just want to improvise myself tremendously.
Like your own self, to explore
Yeah.
yourself. Is that mean? Yeah?
Actually, I believe that
Yeah.
learning is a journey, not a destination.
Oh
So I
my
have to
god.
keep learning.
Like any new thing.
Yeah. Every single day I try to discover something new. I want to mention
Yeah.
that there is a myth in India.
Yeah.
Okay, there is a myth in India that English can be spoken by those who
Or
belong to either rich family
yeah, either
or
are
English
brilliant.
background.
Yeah.
Okay, or most of the institution are making school to student as.
Yeah, the parents. Also the parents.
Now, whenever students
Yeah.
go to their institute,
Yeah.
they tell them English can be learned within 3 months. But they never say that English is all about practicing.
Yeah, that I also.
There is no time limit.
There is
You
no.
can be learned within 1 month, you can learn within 3 months, or you can take
No,
more than
the-
2 years.
Yeah. But yeah, they just
But
want
they
your
only
money.
say that English can be learned within 3 months, because of which students are being misguided.
Yeah, like every student have a different kind of need. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not just everybody learn English in 3 months, not just everybody learn English in 1 month, no. But in the 2 years, yeah?
Yeah, for example, brother,
Yeah.
I have to speak from my mouth.
Yeah.
How a teacher can say that I can learn English within 3 months? He will speak in place of me? Will he speak?
No.
Or I have to speak?
You have to speak.
Then
Then like it's will your journey. This not to anybody decide that how it will take.
I
Yeah.
have my own spoken class, but I never say any of my students that I'm going to teach you English within. I tell them directly.
What?
Directly, English is all about practicing. The more you practice, the more you improve. If you
And-
don't practice,
Yeah.
you will never improve. Okay, if you want to come in my class, welcome. But you are not going to learn anything.
Then why they come to be practicing in your class? Because you directly say that. Because
Yeah, I told to everybody.
Yeah.
I told to everybody that if you don't practice, there is no place in my class for those who are not practicing. Okay,
Yes.
English is a language. Learn it as a language, not learn it as a subject.
like it's not any kind of subject. It's a language. Yeah. Lot of in the institute and school they will make a lot of money just that English will be necessary. It will be subject. And they will be students know how to learn, like how to listen, write and read, but they never speak because speak need practice.
Yeah.
And
English can be spoken by mouth, not by hand. Okay, there are many people who are chatting every now and then thinking that they are learning English. They are making fool themselves.
and other people and their
Yeah.
So that was the conclusion. Like to be anything that we want to learn, first comfortable zone, then fear zone, then learning, then growing.
Yeah.
And for doing that, to never give up and to be forward to your goal, and if you achieve anything in your life, like you give two example about us, that addiction and so for that
I'm firm believer that anything can be achievable. Anything. No doubt. You want to be prime minister, you want to be scientist, you want to be doctor, engineer, anything is possible.
And what do you want?
All about you.
What do you want in your life? Because you say anything. What do you want from your life?
Actually, I want to be achiever. What I don't know exactly.
You want to be achiever.
Yeah.
And what you want to be achieve? I just want to know that. Is that any things or any positions, any power, money?
Yeah, to be honest, I want to make everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to make everybody be speaking in English. I want to remove fear of speaking in English.
Like everybody, like whoever think that it will be never happened, and the Kanaya, like Kesar sir, Kesar sir will be help him to be a learn English, because anything will be can possible. Yeah.
Yeah. Second thing is that you might have